Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at 444 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Asanori Yamamoto and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic. 444 was made in two different combinations of wood. The first one is mahogany and IP or Brazilian walnut, and the second one is mahogany and acacia. This puzzle has difficulty level 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the object of the puzzle is to put all 4 parts inside in such a way that no parts will be sticking out, like you can see right here, and there will be no visible gaps, so both openings will be covered. So this is the solved puzzle. It's supposed to look like this. This is how the puzzle is shipped. It's shipped unsolved, so we have to figure out the way how to put all parts inside first and then to remove them to complete the solution. This puzzle has 4 parts, and first part looks like this, the second part looks like this, and there are 2 more parts. The third one is quite small, and the last one looks like this. And the frame has a huge opening, triangle opening on one side, and a small opening on the other side, which is just 1 voxel big. If you put one small cube here, you will see that it is just enough 1 cube to cover the whole opening on the back side. If you like 444 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.